Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with DeepSeek and Google Books 2025 step by step. So first thing you're going to need to do is just go to deepseek.com and just type the prompt like give me a self-help books title. Or you can just type in here whatever you want to make. Just for me, I want to make a self-help book, so I'm typing it in here. So this one, we're gonna use this. So we're just going to copy this one and then paste it in here. So what I'm gonna type in here is make me a book out of this title. And then after that, you're just gonna have to paste and type this arrow right here. And now we're just gonna wait for it to generate a whole book. Since this is a whole book that the DeepSeek is generating, it'll take probably a few minutes or seconds. So we're just gonna wait for it to generate everything or the whole book that we are trying to make so that we can upload them to Google Books. So just wait for it to generate everything. You can just fast forward this part. So as you can see, it's creating part 1, part 2, and chapters. So in here, you're just gonna go to the Google Play Partner Center. So as you can see, it's already done. So once we have everything ready, like all these informations and the book, we're just going to go to Books Partner Center. This one, just search it on your google.com, and then tap on Get Started. And from here, you have to create a payment profile so that in that way you can receive the payment of the people that wants to buy your book or ebook. So once you're done with that, just go to Book Catalog. And as you can see, I have already made one, which is in another genre, but it needs approval. So just tap on Add Book and then select a option. Just tap on this, just follow the steps, then tap on Save and Continue. And from here, you can put here about the book. So the title. So we're just gonna go to DeepSeek and copy the title, and then go back to paste the title, just like that. And for the description, go back to DeepSeek and then copy everything from intro to conclusion. So we're gonna copy them, Control C, and then go back here and tap on Control V to paste. And from here, you can edit small details. You can make this underlined just like that. Depends on you, so you can make minor edits. And then once you're done with all the edits, just scroll down and tap the language and make sure to select the language of what you used in creating the book. And from here, just put here your name as a publisher. And for the format, since this is ebook, I set it as an ebook. And for the page count, you can put here the number of page. And for the release date, you can make it within 7 days. Make sure that it's not 7 days on the date that you're making it. So is it allowed to be pre-ordered? So tap on yes. And then publication date, you can set it whenever you want. And the minimum age, we're just gonna put 18, the maximum 18. And then for mature audiences, type yes, then save and continue. We're just gonna wait for it. And then from the genre, you can just skip this one. You can tap on save and continue. And the contributors, you can also skip this one. So just tap on save and continue. Wait for it. And then from here, you can also just skip this. So just tap on continue. And save and continue again. You can just skip this, guys. So just tap on continue. And now for the content and cover, you can upload here the pictures of the content or cover. So to do that, just go to leonardo.ai, like this one, and then go to DeepSeek AI and copy the title because we're going to generate a picture out of it. So just type book cover at the very end and wait for it to generate a photo. So from here, you can also set it to dynamic, whatever you want. You can set it to small, medium, large, but for the large, you have to have the premium or the pro account and the number of images that you want. So from here, I guess I'm just gonna pick this one. So I'll just download this image, tap on that icon, and now it's downloaded. So go back here and tap on upload a file, and then tap on it. Tap on OK, close once it's done. So you can also upload here a content picture. So you can just go back to leonardo.ai. But since I don't have the pro version, I have a limitation of the photos that I can generate. So you can just put it there, guys, and generate a photo and then upload it there. So for the prices, you just have to choose the currency. So since I live in the Philippines, I'll just set it to PHP. And for the price, you just have to type in here the amount of the book that you want to release. Now you can put here the region, so I'll just put there world. Now just save and continue. And here you can review and publish. You can review all the details, the book details. So we're just going to go to genre since it has to be selected. So just put here, just choose the genre that you're making, and then save and continue. And now save and continue again. And from here, as you can see, you just have to review all the details. And once you're done reviewing all here, you just have to tap on publish at the very bottom. But as you can see, I can't publish it since I have not yet set the payment center. So just tap on this. It's a missing. So make sure to fill out everything in here in the payment center before you publish your ebook. So I won't go any further with this. You can follow all the prompts that says in here. And that's basically it. You just really have to follow. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!